Let's take a look at single command per pick. So what is it? Well, it's a different way of using sketch commands in SOLIDWORKS. You can turn it on in the system options, and the default way to use commands like circle, line, or smart dimensions is to activate them and then use them many times until you then leave the command. Now sometimes this is not the quickest way you want to work. So there's another way called single command per pick. It clears the tools after each use. This means you use the command to draw one entity like a line or circle and you move on. So let's take a look. Here I'm drawing a circle, and you'll notice that each time I draw a circle I'll need to go and reactivate the command. Now that's because I have the system option single command per pick turned on. Now if I know I'm going to use the command multiple times, there's a trick to this. Just double click the command and then it will return to the default behavior, allowing you to use the command as many times as you want. And that's single command per pick in SOLIDWORKS.